They live a long time. Hey girl, stand in front over here so I can take a picture of you with the birds. Lauren? Lauren, turn around.
Oh, you listen.
I want to take a picture with the birds. Oh, look at that. Dude.
Over there.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's cute. Barb?
Me too, me too.
Nicholas, you want to hold the bird?
Beautiful. Thank you.
Absolutely gorgeous. Kiss.
Hard kisses.
Aaron, you gotta kiss your Papa. Papa. Wait.
It must be a boy bird.
Big kiss, Papa.
Dad, you know it's a boy. Somebody likes you so much.
Again, Papa kiss.
Bye.
No, pay attention. I did.
Nick, you want to hold the bird?
There you go. Thank you.
No?
How about a smaller one?
How about a little one? How about a little
How
bird?
about a smaller one?
I love birds.
I'll
I
get
want
you
to get
a
one.
small one.
Yeah, let's see if he gets a small bird.
They're absolutely beautiful.
Oh, look at the little one.
Pretty yellow one. Look how little, see? It's tiny. It's a little small bird. It's a small bird.
Nicholas, look it. It's a little tiny bird.
Come on, Nick.
Put your arm out. Put your arm out. It's a tiny bird. Look, it's so nice.
Right there.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Oh. Is that cool? One more time.
We gotta cut this guy's wings.
I know. Take it out.
You like that?
Yes.
Awesome. Look at you. Let's hope the bird doesn't go poop on your arm.
Say cheese.
Good job, Nick.
Don't say cheese.
Yeah, just a second. I'll give you some. Yeah, I will.
Okay, Lola. Come on.
Awesome.